inside here I have some banana peels and banana itself, overripe bananas, that is. And I did add some water inside here already, but I am officially going to have this little barrel I have in front of me. You're not seeing it as yet. I'm going to have it just with banana water for my garden. So I've been using banana water in my garden for years, so I know it works very well. Banana water actually boosts your plant growth. It encourages stronger roots and it enhances flowering and fruiting for your fruiting plants. All right, so banana is rich in potassium, right? So the banana water is rich in potassium and it also provides phosphorus and calcium that your plants need for their growth. Now, I especially love to use banana water for my tomatoes. It not just help with their fruiting and flowering, but it also helps against root rot. Yes, that high potassium and calcium that is found in it, yes, it helps a lot. Now, in recent times, I have been just adding the banana peels, my liquid fertilizer that I have around the background there. And I will not stop doing that, of course. It's just that I got these in a lump sum and I got them shortly after the passage of the hurricane. So I decided just to put them in this bucket. I did add some water to it already, but not much. I just add for adding sake. But I have these bags right here that I'm actually going to skim off, because this is one bucket full of overripe bananas. So mainly bananas are in here than water. This smells so good, can I tell you? So yes, I'm basically going to get out all of this. I'm going to use the water that is already in there on my tomato plants. Yes, and I'm just going to, after I fill this up, I'm going to tie the bag and I'm going to put it in the barrel so that I can always have banana water. So I will continue to use, then add water until the banana finally just depletes. All right. Yes, and I still have some more to, I still have a little bit more right here. Well, you're probably seeing it now. It's not a lot inside, well, 3/4 inside this bucket. So you see that I have a lot, and so that's why I decided, all right, I'll just have a separate banana water barrel going forward. All right, so you basically can use your banana water within 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours. All you would need to do is to cut them up, whether the banana itself or the banana peel, put them in a container, add water, cover it, and you put it in the sun, and within 24 hours, you can use it. It's just that, with your liquid fertilizers, the longer, the stronger. All right. So basically, I'm going to have this to use on my fruit trees, especially the ones that I see want to do something, give me some fruits, and just to enhance that for them. But especially for my tomatoes, I am going to be using this. It is very cost effective. You're eating your ripe banana, you're not going to eat the peel. So it's a win-win situation for you right there. So you see, I have a lot in there. And this, very strong. Looks good and smells good. So I am just going to pour this out into the bag. Welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you so much for tuning in. Always appreciate you watching. God bless you all. Still have a little juice inside, but hey. I can't get back. Ugh. Some in the container. So I'm just going to tie this. I could put it in the barrel as is. I just choose to put it in the bag. Wait a minute. I just chose to put it in the bag so that when I am ready for the water, the banana is not coming out or coming up in the container that I'll be using to take it up. Because I want the bananas to stay in the barrel so they can continue to make me some banana water. I don't want to be straining. So of course I am going to rest this here. Doing the other one off camera. Just want to show you what I'm doing. So this is the barrel that I'll be using. Water is inside already. So I just put this in there. And it will make me some banana water. I'm going to add the other bag. And as time goes by, I'm going to save my banana skins, store them in the fridge. And then when I get a pile, I put it in bags like these again and keep replenishing the barrel. And if I get overripe bananas, again, I'll do the same thing. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.